Hello everyone. We will complete our lesson about subtraction, but we will talk about subtraction with regrouping or with carrying. And you will find it in your textbook page 93. And we will explain more what's the meaning of subtraction with regrouping. Now open your textbook page 93 and just follow with me. A cafe had 397 donuts. 85 of them were sold. How many donuts are left on the cafe? Okay, I have 397 and 58. So I want to check first. I know that the bigger number, which is a 300, it's at the beginning. So I can definitely make the subtraction. So my subtraction equation is going to be correct because I started with a bigger number. So the biggest number is in the beginning, in the top, and the smaller number in the bottom. Now I will stack them up so I can start my subtraction. I stack 397 and 58 under the ones place and the tens place. As you see here, we have hundreds place, tens place, and units place. Now I want to do the subtraction. I start with the ones place as usual. 7 take away 8. Okay, so I have the 8 here and the 8 is bigger than the 7. What I have to do? I have to ask the 7. Do you have extra to subtract 8 out of it? No. So we go to the next door or to the next neighbor, which is the tens place. So I don't have here enough units to take out of it. 8 out of it, but I have tens place, so I can go to the tens place and borrow one of these stacks, which is 10. Okay, so I have here 9 tens and I have here 7 ones. And if I want to borrow from the 9, some of the students think that it's going to be 7 plus 1, so it's going to be 8, and this is completely wrong because you are taking, as you see here, you are taking a full 10, so 10 plus 7, it will be 17. So 10, you're taking 1 from the tens place, which is 110. So you're taking 10, you're giving it to the units place, which is 10 plus 7, it will be 17. So you have here 17. You now take away 8 and you will have the answer is 9. So you have to regroup the 9 tens as a 7 units into 8 tens. And so you have here, you have to regroup the 10 here. So regrouping means you give one of these sticks to regroup it with the units place again, so you can give or subtract some from it. Okay, so we regroup. So this one is with this group, but now I will regroup it with the next place, which is the units place. I will give it. And remember, we always borrow from the biggest place, a bigger place. So if you are on the units place, you always borrow from the tens. If you are on the tens place, never go to the units because the units is very small. So you have to go to the hundred place. Now I will regroup it. I will take it away from the tens place and put it with the units. Now I have only 8 tens and I have 17 units. I can do my takeaway now or subtraction. Now I have 9 and I have 8 tens left, which is 80. Take away 50. I will have 30, and the last one is 3 take away 0 equal 3. So if I don't have something here, so I'm subtracting 0. Okay, 300 take away 0, 100. I have 300, so the cafe has 339 donuts left. So when we subtract a greater number from a smaller number, so we are taking a greater number, which is 8, from 7, which is a smaller number, the units place, we need to regroup 110 from the tens place into the units place. So I take it from this group and put it with this group. So I will regroup this number. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Find the difference between 482 and 247, and I know that 400 is bigger and we put it on the top over here. Step 1, we stack it up. I have 482 and I have 247, but oops, 7 is bigger, so I have to ask the 2 to go to the next door, to the next place, which is the tens place. I will visit the tens place. Can you please give me one of these stacks that you have? You have one stick which has 10 units, so I will give it here. I have already 2 units and I have 10 units, so I have 12 units in all. So I have 10 plus 2 equal 12. That's why I write 12, not 3, remember. Okay, now I will take away 7 out of 12. I will have 5. Then I will move to the tens place here. Over here, I move to the tens place. I have now 7 because I take away 10 from it. I have 70 now. 70 take away 40. I will have 30. And I will move now to the 100 place, which is 400 take away 200 equal 200. And the difference going to be 482 and 247, it will be 235. Okay, so we stack them up. Start with the ones place, always start with the ones place, go to the next place if you don't have enough, and borrow and regroup it with you till you subtract or finish the equation. Now we want to try these exercises over here. I have 581 and 39. They stack it up, units, tens and hundreds. 1 take away 9, we cannot do it, so we have to, I will write it down over here so I can make it bigger now and I can solve the problem. Now I have 1 take away 9, I can't do it, so I have to go to the next door, which is I am going to take 10 from the 8 and give it to the 1, and now I have 10 plus 1 equal 11. 11 take away 9 equal 2. 7 take away 3 equal 4, and 5 take away 0 equal 5. The next exercise, which is here 2, I will write it over here bigger so I can solve it. 670 and 228. I have to subtract 8 from 0. It's not enough, so I will borrow from it. So 10 take away 8 equal 2, and 6 take away 2 equal 4, and 6 take away 2 equal another 4. I will write it down here. Please write it down on your book, page 94, please, and 95. Please write it on your book, your textbook. Now, I have tried this on page 96 and try this on page 99. Okay, I need to do the first exercise, which is here. 438. I have 8. I have to take away 6 out of 8. I can do that. I can write now 2. But if I want to subtract 3, I have some problem with the tens place. It's not enough, so I will go to the 100 place and I will take 100. So it's going to be 130, which is 13 tens, sorry. And if you take 90 out of 13 tens, you will have 40, and 300, it will be the same. So 342, please write it down on your in your textbook, page 96, on try this. You have a box with try this and you will find these numbers on your book. I have 739 and 242. 2 take away from 9 equals 7. Oops, sorry. Okay, 7. Oh yeah, before I check write this, I want to check my answers. I need to check my answers over here. I need to add 96 plus 342, and I will have 438 in total, and which is correct. Now I will start with the next exercise. 9 take away 2 equals 7. 13 take away 40, it's not enough, so I need to go to the 7. I will fix it with 13 and 600. It's going to be 600. That will going to be 1310. 13 take away 4 equal 9. 6 take away 2 equal 4. And if I want to check my answers, I have to add 242 plus 497, and the answer is going to be 739. Okay, so I add the number in the bottom with the answer, and I will have the answer and the number on the top. Now we will try this on page 99. Write it down in your book. 415. 8 take away from 15. It's not enough. I will go to the next door. The next door is going to be 0 because I take away 110. It's going to be 15 take away 8 equal 7. So the answer is 7. Now 0 take away 1. It's not enough. So I need to go to the next door, which is the 300. So the 0 is going to be 10. And the 400 is going to be 300. And now it's going to be 9 and it's going to be here 200. Okay, if I want to check my answer, I add 118 plus 297 and the answer is going to be 415. Now I have now 800, take away 487, stack them up, write the bigger number in the top and start with the 0. Can I take away 7 out of 0? No. I go to the next door. So I need to go to the next door. Next door is not enough. I will go to the next door. It will give me 10. So 10 take away 7 equal 3. 9 take away 8 equal 1. And 7 take away 4 equal 300. And to check it, you have to add 487 plus 313, which is the answer. And you will have 800 in all. Now I will do this in your own. It's on textbook page number 99. Write it down on your book, please. I have find the differences. I have 455 take away 28. I did it for you. I borrow to make it 15. Then I write the answer as 7. 15 take away 8 equals 7. 4 take away 2 and 4 down. Here, B, I have 513, take away 171, 33, take away 1 equal 2, and 1, take away 11, 1 is not enough, so I go to the next door, which is 4, and 5, I will make it 4, and I will be 11. The answer is going to be 4, 4 take away 1 equal 3. Now find the differences for each of the following. Question number 2, 27 and 400, and I know that I write down the bigger number first. So I write 400 take away 27 and the answer is going to be 373. I have 350 and 81. I write it down and I find the answer. When I subtract these numbers, I have 269 as answer. The last one is Lydia had 185 envelopes. She used 117 of them. How many envelopes did Lydia have left? So I have 185 and she used 117. So I have to take away 117 out of 185. If I take them away from it, I have to write the equation, then to write the answer, which is 68. After I subtract them with some regrouping and some borrowing. So write down these answers on your book, please, and write your homework. It's on workbook page 69, 70, and 71, and send it on the WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video, and see you.